Yo, what's up, everybody? Let's play some Animal Crossing. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. All right, I'm here playing Animal Crossing. Let me see if I can. I don't know where to move this. I don't know where would be a good spot to move. I'm just gonna move up there. All right, so I'm playing Animal Crossing Pocket Camp. Um, this is the first ever Animal Crossing game I've ever played, so I'm giving it a try. I started this up maybe like a month ago. I don't know, a little less than a month ago, but I started this up and I wanted to record it, but I just didn't get the chance, I guess. And I didn't get too far. See, I'm just only level 2, so I guess let's just get this started. Well, my first impressions of this game is just I guess make your camp better, build stuff. I don't know. So I'm just gonna get into this. I'm in my RV, I guess. I don't know what to do in here. What are you? Open the map. Okay. Guess I could go places. There's a bunch of shit that I can do. Let's see. Where am I? Oh. So I'm there, moving in 32 minutes. What's moving? Okay, oh, the checkpoint says the places I've been to, so I should. This boat is moving and it has an exclamation. Let's go there. Looking to trade? You could talk to Gulliver on Sunburst Island. I thought I was already there. Okay. Collect lots of stuff. I didn't get to read that. Using honey. Tap on a honey stump to use honey and attract all kinds of bugs. Alright. Select the type of honey you want to use and complete the purchase using leaf tickets. Ooh, they got leaf tickets. Leaf tickets? Yeah, I was already here. What is this guy doing? Oh my god. Okay, right there. Extra sardines, please, with a side of pickles. Nom nom. Is he a clown or a clown in sheep clothing? So hard to tell. Why is he's sleeping? Oh, now he's awake. God, where am I? Who am I? Hold on, it's coming to me. My name is Gullible? Wait, no, it is Gulliver. Yes, that's it. What the freak? Oh my god. Haha, I cracked myself up. Oh, well, thanks for the humoring a silly seabird. But how about we talk business? You see that cargo ship, Skipper? I'm in the import-export biz. Oh, are you now? I export furniture and clothing, and I import exotic gifts from distant lands. Ooh. So if you have clothing or furniture you don't want, I'll be happy to take it off for hands. Okay. I just gave him like a southern accent. In return, I'll sail the high seas and even some low seas to bring you back a souvenir. Yes, a tasty, tasty souvenir. But don't worry, it'll be a fair reward, goes honor. The fuck? So anytime you would like to try the import-export biz, you just come chat with, oh, Gulliver, okay. Okay, Gulliver. You my dude. Catch this butterfly. Got him. Got him. My character name is Bulma, by the way. I named it Bulma. I was like, I have to name her Bulma because I was like, blue hair. She kind of looks like Bulma from like Super. I'm naming her Bulma. Yeah, so I hope that like my voice is coming through this mic I'm wearing because yeah. So I'm only gonna do like, oh come on, oh I missed it. That's what happened. Oh, there's a person. She's wearing the same shirt. Oh yeah, that's right. Nothing right now. She don't got nothing I need. So let's try crafting some furniture. Okay, I'm gonna try and craft some furniture. Hey, let's talk to this little guy real quick. Yo, what's happening, Brosephine? Oh my goodness, the dialogue is cringy. Here you go. Well, I won't say no to this. Thanks. Ooh, I got some bells, preserves, wood. Okay, cool. Cool. You've been such a big help, Brosephine. Let me know when I can return the favor. For sure. Okay. Friendship level 2. Okay. I got some more bells. Sporty essence. Preserves. Nice. Got it. Got it. Dude, the language in this is freaking weird. I'm hearing... Well, now I'm hearing. I looked it up. I guess it's like Animalese or something like that. I forget. It's weird. But it's like everybody speaks it. Even the humans. Or are they humans? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I need to craft some goods. If you register an item as a favorite, it'll be easier to find. You can even receive a notification when you're able to craft it. How to register a favorite? Does it matter? Do I need to? I don't got enough tickets for none of this stuff. I don't know. Ooh, it's like a grand piano. That looks cool. What is this? Is that like a suit? Yeah, I guess so. Then we got ooh, a drum set. I'm getting that. That's me. Wait. I didn't craft it. Okay, cool. Order screen. Craft. Wait, Scarlet drum set. Okay, I guess I can't do it. Craft it. Okay. Scarlet microphone. Ooh. Oh no. Cost tickets. I forgot. My bad. What's this? Ooh, what's this stuff? Furniture. Ooh, outfits. Cool. Or clothing. I like clothing. I like it. What's this? I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna craft it. Order screen. Pink Argyle shirt. Crafty! Do it! This game is so crazy. I mean, I could see myself falling asleep for sure playing this. Like, you know. Let's see what we got here. I don't think I want anything else. Oh, it takes an hour, 2 hours to craft that shirt. I guess that's like kind of realistic. Kind of, not really. I'm sure it takes longer to make a shirt. If you're making it by hand, of course. Alright, what we got? What we got? I want to craft. Was that a swing? I already have that couch. There's a pink couch. I'm gonna get it. Craft. I got me a lovely seat. Ooh, I got the love seat. Alright. Craft it. Okay. You stupid game. Of course. Of course. Crafty Nintendo. Yay. Alright. Event. What's the event? Special offer. Map, contacts, more. I don't care. I think I'm down here, so I'm gonna go to the map. Wait, I'm still in the same place. What's this? Campsite. Let's go. Let's go! Collect lots of local produce. Check other players' market boxes to get local produce you don't have. For shizzle. For shizzle. Chat with animals you're hosting at your campsite to raise your friendship level and get more craft materials. Next. Sometimes they will talk about the items you've placed at your campsite, so get creative with your decorating. Aw, that kitty cat's cute. Look who wants to chat with you. the eagle dude. I don't like speaking to him though. Where is he? Oh, he's right there. Do you really want Apollo to have this best friend confection? Sure. Yes. Yes. I don't know what it is, so who cares? Thanks for being you, Apollo. I got you a special playlist to show how much I care. I can't read. Oh, my character was talking. What? That is not cool. What? You're thanking me for what for? I didn't even do anything. I don't know if I can accept this. I mean, the principle of the thing is just, I mean, I don't know. No, what? Oh, fine. If you insist. I should be the one thanking you, though. You've always been so nice to me. Yeah. His voice is so annoying, I swear. Like, why? Bluebell jar bouquet. Oh. Purdy. Oh shoot. Went past level 3 to level 4. I'll be singing music. I got some more bells, cool essence, paper. Cool essence, what is it? Cool me down or something? Look what's new. You can now change Apollo's hat, clothes, and accessories at your campsite or cabin. Cool. I could dress him up. That's weird. That's so weird. This game is weird. He wants to chat with me again. Why? There we go. Apollo? Okay. Apollo? That's what you just did, huh? Spaced out? That's why the shit fucking wasn't loading. I love spacing out and spending some time just enjoying the changing seasons. Cool. The floral spring, the bright summer, the colorful fall, the quiet winter. If I could paint them, I might. But I kind of prefer just taking them in, you know? I paint them into my mind. That was weird. Cool essence, more. Thanks. Ooh, level. I didn't level up. I thought I did. My guy, leave me alone. I'm trying to do stuff. Ooh, what's this? Stuff I can't interact with, I guess. Oh no. Go this way. Balma, stop! What are you doing? No. Nope. What's this? What's this say? Oh, looks like I could place amenities here once I reach level 10. Oh, cool. Once I reach that level. That guy wants to chat, man. He's a chatter. He's the chat master. Ooh, the axe. Alright, so how do I... What's this? Oh, okay. So what's this? Oh, I need to be level 13. What's this? No, done. What'd I do? Okay, place items. Put away. Done. I got rid of the tent. What's this guy? Well, you stumbled across my little garden plot a little earlier than I expected. Would you mind coming back once you reach level 3? I'll surely be ready for you by then. Okay. Okay, I'm close to level 3. But I do not want to go over 30 minutes on this video, so I should probably progress. I want to be able to upload this like right away, so that's why I don't want to go over 30 minutes. If I go into an hour, it's going to be a full like 4 gigs of freaking video, and I'm not trying to have that. So I think it will stop anyways because I have like low data anyways. Not data, but memory. I think. Let's place the item. Place it there. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, what did I do? How did I do that? No, keep you there. Was that a lantern? That's a lantern. Put you there. And then the lamp could go right here. Next to the bouquets. Alright. That's perfect. Okay. Okay. Nothing. What's this? Toy Day dollhouse. Oh. Okay, I want to place that. Place a roo. Oh, whoa. Oh, hello. Okay, there we go. That's cool. For a minute, I thought I lost power. I don't know why. Okay, what's this stuff? What is this? Oh, there's fencing. Okay, never mind. This is all the stuff I have out. Or, yeah. That's stuff in my RV. So, clothing. Oh yeah, I can't wear that one stuff yet. I'm waiting for it to craft. Shoes, nothing. I guess this is all the stuff I have already. Oh, that's poop. Okay, so I can't do nothing. I'm realizing that I can't do anything. Close. Done. Save. This guy wants to chat again. Oh my god. You need something or what? Oh my god, bro. Brosephine? Tell me a story, change outfit. I was just saying hello. Here, take this. Here you go. Yeah, Balma Pa. Balma Pa. Huh. It's weird. Okay, I'm about to say. Like, he wants to chat again. He wants to chat again. Is there any different animals in my camp? What is he doing? Oh, he's dancing. He's doing Fortnite dances. What's the latest, Pa? Tell me a story. Right. Alright. I should be reading this, huh? Okay. Like me, I've got materials just piling it up, blocking the door and whatnot. Basically, what he said before is, if you want to craft stuff, you need materials, man. Like, you need to collect a lot of materials. And then this is what he says. Like me, I've got materials just piling up, blocking the door and whatnot. Alright. Dude, he's about to be like my best friend. Take shot. No. Now. Alright, what's over here? Oh, I can't mess with none of that stuff yet because I'm weak. I'm not powerful yet. So I guess I need to get out of here and just like go get some stuff. But first, let's see what Isabel was talking about. Isabel, why is accept? Oh, nice. Catch 5 fish. I got some stuff. Cool. Got some more tickets. Sweet. Right. Complete. Accept. Sweet. I'm getting a lot of stuff. I wonder if this stuff is gonna help me like build stuff. Well, I can't craft anymore. I only could craft 2 items at a time. 2 items. So that's where I'm at with that. Cool. Okay, calendar stuff or whatever. Daily goals. Nice. Go to Sunburst Island. Got it. Wow, that's a shitty reward. 40? That's whack. Okay. New goals have been unlocked. We sent 1 or more bonus items to your mailbox. Tap the mailbox icon to collect. Alright, I will. Wow, I'm just winning today. Win, 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 no matter what. Rustic Essence. New goals have been unlocked. Nice. We sent 1 or more bonus items to your mailbox. Tap the mailbox icon to collect. Just kidding. I can't sing. I'm trash. Just kidding. I'm not kidding, I guess. Catch 10 bugs. Wow. This is what this game is all about? Why isn't this like automatic? I guess this is a part of the game. Whatever. But I wanna... Oh, yes, got it all. Nice. So I completed all the daily goals. Damn. Go Kari. Cleston. Oh, I get some candy. Candy. Sweet. Ooh, I got 5 leaf tickets. Nice. I need 1 more of those. I need 1 more to complete this section. Okay. Let's leave. Go. Oh yeah, let's go to somewhere we haven't been. What's the owl? Blazer's treasure trek. Woo! Hoo-hoo! Blazer, at your service. I'm absolutely delighted that you decided to join me here. Alright. Recently, my interest in cartography has peaked. Thus, I will explore any map your adventurous spirit selects. Okay? I, of course, will need your help on these adventures, but whatever I find, I'll give it to you. Alright. Alright. I see you sitting on pins and needles, just waiting for the exploration to commence. Shall we start now? Fuck yeah! Okay. Number of bell items needed to roll the die. To move along the board depends on which map you choose. Tapping the dice once will cause it to spin. Tapping the dice a second time will initiate your roll. With your second tap, the necessary amount of bells or items needed to roll the dice will be deducted from your inventory. If you tap someplace other than the die after the first tap, you will cancel the die roll. Once you roll the die with your second tap, there will not be a confirmation screen showing how many bells or items were used. Please be careful. Okay, whatever. Okay. Looks like you received a beginner map and Teddy's map as a gift. Alright. Ooh, let's do this one. It's gold. Let's do it. Oh, wait. What? Wait. Hoo-hoo, which map would you like to explore is such a demanding decision. No. Wait. Back. Why are you doing this? Okay, fine. Open this map. Fine. I think it's like a tutorial type thing. Let's try practice. Yeah. Like I said, I've given you the number of bells needed to roll the die, which is 100 bells. Try tapping the die to roll it. Okay. 4. Six. Hey, sparkle stones. Yeah. I think that wasn't the point. Alright, items left in the map. Are you sure you want to clear the map anyways? No. No. No, back. Okay. We don't have to do that. Sweet. So I could pick that one and pick that one. What's this? Teddy. That's the clear. Oh, instant clear. Okay. That's dope. Dope sauce. Ooh, I got treats up the butt. Yeah. Teddy! I got a friend. I found a friend. Hey. Yeah, I'm level 3! At 31 minutes. See, okay, I went over. I didn't even know it. See, I gotta stop here a little bit. So, okay. I got a new friend again. Oh, added to my contacts, Freya. Sweet, sweet. Oh, nice. So I can make more stuff now, which is pretty awesome. Awesome. Sweet. Nice. Dude, you gonna give me more stuff? Okay, cool. Just gold reach. Nice. Okay, dokie. No more. You can now use item delivery. Sweet. I guess this is alright. I like this. It's pretty cool. Let's go back to the map. Oh, I'm back home. I am back home. Oh my god, yeah, turn that down. Alright, so I'm gonna collect all my stuff. See, I didn't do that. That's what I forgot to do. That's what I went out to do, right? Yeah. Isabelle freaking distracting me. Sweetness. Okay, so go up here. Mailbox. Check your mailbox, because you always got stuff, you know, just lying in there. Like all that stuff I got lying in here. Wowzers. Oh, wow. Okay, just collect all. That's all I gotta do. Sweet. Well, there you have it. That's Animal Crossing Pocket Camp for you. I might actually record another video of this, but I want to like get maybe like a higher level so I could be able to do more stuff in it and show you guys like the real potential of Animal Crossing, you know. So yeah, if you like this video, you know, hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know, smash that subscribe button. And I will see you guys later. Sauce Up Kari out.